Lucky, I think I'm going down.
The junkyard. We need to retake it now.
Stay alert.
Enemy has taken the sector. But we have a fallback position. Begin a withdrawal. Long time, but not enough. And we can't lose much more ground. Take it at the auction house and dissolve, and prepare our defenses.
They're targeting you!
Enemy in the auction house!
Oh dear, that's embarrassing.
Surface isn't like orbit. Let's be careful here. Lost a good rebel today. My droid's reporting severe damage. Your ship can't take much more of that.
Then you're glad to see us.
We can't hold the auction house forever, but we're not losing it yet. Reinforcements, go! Careful!
Knew you had him!
Auction house under under Imperial lockdown. Defend the bazaar instead.
The bazaar is under siege! My propulsion unit barely hanging on!
You're taking damage. Good aim.
You're taking damage!
Red Squad, here to help! Watch out!
Oh, that ain't pretty.
Watch out for sneak attacks!
Couldn't have done it better myself.
Stay alert!
We're at the bazaar, losing ground!
Watch out.
In the bazaar! Getting hot here!
All rally points have fallen. They'll slaughter us here. We'll fall back to the docks and put our backs against the wall. U-wings are making final preparations for takeoff, but they still need more time. Intercept the stormtroopers before they can rig the ships with explosives.
Imperial's planting bombs.
Enemies running scared! Unidentified ally on sight! There's a bomb! They planted a bomb!
What are you looking at? I know what I'm doing. Hey, look at this.
Our transports have been destroyed. Go to ground. May the Force be with us all.